In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Temu app. The first thing you do is open up your Play Store, and then at the bottom here you tap on the search icon. At top here you tap on the search bar and tap in Temu, T-E-M-U. The Temu app is for online shopping. As you can see, this is it. Temu, shop like a billionaire. Tap on install. Now let's see what's all about. You get free shipping, minimum order amount and other conditions will apply for free shipping, free returns within 90 days. You discover your style and limitations under women's fashion. You also have refresh your home under home and kitchen section, latest trend in men's fashion. Get everything you need under Temu categories. 24/7 customer service, so you can contact them whenever you need help. So it has been downloading, it has installed. It's as simple as that. So accept privacy, and that's it. That is how to download and install Temu app on your phone. You also have the security verification part. Okay, you have to verify by putting it where it's missing. Okay, I get it now. So let's see. Validation complete, and it's as simple as that.